So next one is nastic movements. So first, what is tropic nature? Tropic movement means that responding nature of plant is said to be tropic nature, right? It is the movement of a whole plant or movement of a part of a plant to the direction of the stimuli is said to be what? A tropic movement. Then what is meant by nastic movement? So, nastic movements are that it is also a movement. That is also the movement of the plant. Okay, the movement of the plant or a part of a plant. But that in tropic, in nastic means the movement sometimes occur directly. Directly towards the stimuli. Okay, in sometimes the movement occur in opposite direction. Okay, sometimes it can the movement of the plant or part of a plant sometimes occur in the direction, same direction of the stimuli, or sometimes in opposite direction of the stimuli, then it is said to be nastic movements. Okay, in trophic movements means it is a unidirectional response to the stimuli. That is, that it responds towards the direction of the stimuli. But in nastic movements means it sometimes it responds to the direction of the stimuli. Sometimes it responds to the opposite direction of the stimuli. Okay, that is the difference between tropic movement and nastic movement. So main difference is tropic means it is the unidirectional response to the stimulus, but here non-directional, maybe direct or opposite direction response to the stimulus. Okay, so nastic movements also classified into like tropic movements. First one is photonasty, tigmonasty, and thermonasty. Okay, so first one photonasty. So what is photo means what? It responds to the light. Okay, so here see movement of a part of a plant in response to light. Okay, it responds to light. But if you take example here, moonflower given. Okay, moonflower moonflower opens, it opens in night only. Okay, but closes during the night, but it is response to the light, but in the night it opens. Okay, moonflower it's open its petals during night but closes during the day. Okay, controversy, that is the it is said to be nastic movement. Okay, photonasty means the movement of a part that is response to light, but the direction is opposite. Okay, and during daytime it closes, in night time it opens. Okay, so that is moonflower is said to be photonasty. So next one is Thigmonasty. So here, touch me not plant. If you take touch me not plant, it's a good example for Thigmonasty. So movement of part of a plant, it responds to touch. Okay, the biological name is Mimosa putica. Okay, touch me not plant. That is Totta chiningi. Okay, it folds leaves and droops when you touch. Okay, that is Thigmonasty. So Thigmonasty, Mimosa putica, that is touch me not plant is a good example for Thigmonasty. Okay. So third one is thermonasty. So movement of a plant part is associated with the change in temperature. Okay, it depends upon the it shows response depend upon the temperature. Okay, example given, tulip flowers bloom as the temperature increases. When the temperature increases means tulip flowers bloom. Okay, so these are the things on tropism in plants now. So tropic movement and nastic movements, and the difference between tropic and nastic movements. Okay, so the main difference given, ma'am. First one is tropic means it is unidirectional, then nastic means non-directional. Okay, it may be opposite or towards or opposite. Okay, then growth in tropic, the growth of the plant dependent on the movement, but here the growth independent. Okay, Then we can see tropic movement in all plants, but specialize some, for example, if you nastic movements, we can see some specialized plants only. For example, here moonflower, then touch me not plant, tulip, these are some specialized plants. Okay, so we can see these nastic movements in specialized plants only. Okay, so it is a slow action. Tropic movements means the slow action, immediate action. We can see that immediate action. Okay, so in the next class we will see photosynthesis and transpiration ma. So in the next class we will complete that unit. So totally you have 5 units for your quarterly exam. Already 4 completed ma. I will give you the answers, book back answers. Okay, but you have to read one by one, and uh, you have to read and understand the concept. Okay, then only you can write. Okay, thank you da.